lifesavers. And the soul goes on. Like I said, man, they've been in the lab. The new project will be here before you know it. So definitely be on the look, and we'll keep you up on when you can hear more from the lifesavers. Real quick, big shout out to the homie Kenny Fresh and Fresh Select. Check out the website. I know it says coming soon, but you know Kenny got some cool stuff heading our way. And then also to the homie Low Pro from North Next. Those cats are doing some real cool stuff. Shout out to my man Soul Pro. Who else? Vinyl Fluid Records, cats over there supporting to the homie El Pro was at the album release on the weekend. Equilibrium. We're gonna get into a little bit of that in a minute. But it was crazy, man. We was over at the Mount Tabor Theater and was checking out my man El Pro on the album release party, and right next door, the homie West Coast legend Spice One was in the building, and so we had a chance to chat it up a little bit with my man Ed Pierce on the Underground, and then Spice was kind enough to bless us right here on 107.1 FM. Welcome to the neighborhood with his presence. So, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, give it up for the homie Spice. What?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What's happening, man?
Man, just came out here to hang out with my folks, man,
I hear that.
Hey, man. Make it happen.
Yes, sir. Just like I said, man, just appreciate you passing through, man. How was the show? How was the show on the weekend?
Oh, it was big, man. I was digging it. It was popping. There was a lot of people there. They threw their hands in the air. The crowd was responsive. I mean, it got kind of wild in there because we was having fun, but that's what it was for, man.
Yes, sir. So, talk a little bit about what brought you up this way, man. What you working on right now?
I mean, well, I got a few shows out here I'm working on, and basically to hang out with some of the local artists and show them some love on some of their tracks in the studios or whatever, and sign some autographs, just get in contact and in touch with my fans out here in Oregon, and because the new album is about to drop, so just out here saying what's up to everybody, and throwing up the west side to all my fans, let them know we still pushing the front line. You dig?
There it is. So you've been in the studio since you've been out here?
Yeah. Actually, did a few sessions with some local artists.
Yeah. We gonna as soon as you're ready to get the word out, let me know, man, and we'll share with the masses. I don't know if you can speak on that right quick. Or is that we gonna keep it on the under? Who you was in the lab with?
Oh yeah. Well, who's that?
Parallax.
Parallax.
Okay.
And Casper and Flows.
Casper.
And Flows.
And
Flows.
Flows.
Yeah, those are the couple.
Casper and Flows, and I remember Parallax.
Yeah,
I remember both of them. Okay. We did songs with them last night. Just dropped some verses with them cats. And y'all look forward to their albums dropping.
Yeah, it is. So we always just gonna try to represent cats who here in the Northwest, and I mean it's just cool, a legend like yourself coming into Portland and just working with these young cats, and I know that they appreciate you dropping knowledge on them, just sharing your wealth of knowledge, my man.
Oh yeah, it's cool. It's for me. It's more. You gotta. I just keep writing and I stay in the studio. It's more like, I wouldn't say practice, but it's more, it keeps me on my toes. I just stay in the studio and keep recording and writing, you know what I'm saying? And it keep me in that mode for, when I need to perform or go to the studio for my album for myself, I'm already in my mode. So it keeps me on my toes when I just, stay in contact and keep kicking it with the local artists, because they pushing hard, you know what I'm saying? So I hop right in there with them and push their project, my project, and everything else,
There it is. Yes, Shishal, you were listening to 107.1 FM Portland. I go by the name of DJ Clip. This is Welcome to the Neighborhood. We live here in the studio with West Coast legend Spice One. Also got the homie Ed Pierce from the Underground. My man Dan from Redneck Soldier. Ain't no S on there. I know what's up. And,
the Redneck Soldier.
Exactly. The lovely Laura trying to play the background. Promoter extraordinaire. Yeah. So I want to get into this right quick, man. I know you got some new material. Spice brought me a couple things. But let's get into this right quick. I'm gonna throw this cut on. This a cut right here called let's get into some ghetto culture. How's that?
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it.
So this the homie Spice One right here on where we at? 107.1 FM. That's what it is. This is ghetto culture. West Coast legend Spice One.
Blah, blah.
Let's see how we gonna act. Can we get this? Oh, hold up. All right, we about to get it in right here. Welcome to the neighborhood, y'all.
Now, what you